Hello there, I'm Father Boy Christian Gesulgon. Life is difficult. These are the opening words of Scott Peck in his beautiful work, The Road Less Traveled. The paradox is that when we begin to accept life as difficult, then life becomes easy. Acceptance. That is an invitation for every Christian as we look at life through the lens of faith. My dear friends, if there's one thing that we can hold on to as we go through the difficulties and anxieties of life, it is the name of our God. He is named Jesus. God saves. But more than that name, He is also known as Emmanuel, God with us. And so, as we go through the ups and downs of life, let us be assured of an accompanying presence, the presence of this God who provides, this God who cares, this God who is there every step of the way, because His name is Emmanuel, God with us. So, the next time around that you are faced with the difficulties of life, don't worry, do not be afraid, there's somebody with you. God is with us. His name is Emmanuel. Have a nice day. God bless.